Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Ferguson Home app is and how it's positioned. Ferguson Home is a shopping and home improvement app from Build.com, now rebranded under the Ferguson Home brand to combine digital and showroom experiences for homeowners and professionals. The app provides access to a broad selection of premium home products for kitchens, bathrooms, lighting, appliances, hardware, outdoor living, and smart home solutions. Users can browse curated product collections by room or category and explore options from industry-leading brands. It offers project planning and management tools that may help organize product selections and track progress on renovation tasks. The app connects you with dedicated project experts who can offer tailored guidance and assistance throughout the planning process. Order tracking and real-time delivery updates are available to help monitor the status of purchases placed through the platform. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for users planning home renovations and wanting a centralized place to browse and compare high-end products. For users interested in accessing expert guidance, tracking orders, and organizing multiple items into projects, this could be an option. This app may include tools to save favorite products or create lists for easier reorder and comparison, but specific interface details are not fully documented from official app sources. This is not confirmed and should be considered a potential cause. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.